Bioinformatics is a useful way to extract information from datasets. Experimentation is equally important for validation. We combine both approaches to investigate the role of notch signaling in ovarian cancer.
The main advantage of this technique is that researchers can utilize the information from the bioinformatics databases to plan their research direction prior to conducting an experiment.
With accumulated bioinformatics data of human diseases, scientists are no longer blindfolded. Experimentation can be performed to validate specific findings, which can lead to improved therapies or diagnosis of diseases.
For meta-A analysis of the association of a gene of interest with a specific type of cancer, create an account with an academic-affiliated email address to access the PRECOG database and enter the email address and password associated with the account into the login terminal. Click View Details and input the gene of interest into the search bar. Then use the scroll bar to obtain the survival z-score for the specific cancer type of interest. To investigate the association between gene expression levels and ovarian cancer stages, navigate to the CSIOVDB webpage and input the name of the gene of interest into the search bar. Then click on the Survival tab. To assess gene expression data across diverse normal and tumor tissues, navigate to the GENT portal and click the Search tab. In the Keyword section, select the gene symbol for the terms from the drop-down menu